Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to forward calls on this device. To forward calls, you need to open the settings and find here phone settings. Then scroll down and find here call forwarding and enable it. And here enter the number you want to forward to. And cool. Oh my gosh. Yes, it works. Cool. That's it. As you can see, number I have entered is enabled like forward to. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.